Step 1. Combine 235 grams of white flour, 15 grams of potato flakes, and 6 to 8 grams of yeast. Step 2. Add 200 to 220 grams of water at 105 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix until you have a slightly sticky dough. Step 3. Rest the dough for 20 minutes, then add 9 to 10 grams of salt and mix for 1 minute. Step 4. Move the dough to a bowl coated with olive oil, cover it, and let rise for 2 hours at room temperature. Step 5. Transfer the dough to an oiled 12-inch pizza pan, dimple the dough into a circle, cover it, and let rise for 1 hour. Step 6. Open a 28-ounce can of San Marzano tomatoes, crush them, then spread some evenly over the risen dough. Step 7. Heat up your oven to its highest temperature, or 700 degrees if possible. Sprinkle cheddar cheese on the crust edges and cold mozzarella cheese on the middle of the pizza. Step 8. Bake until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbling. Step 9. Slice and serve your homemade pizza. Enjoy the airy crust enhanced by potato flakes. Share this easy method with friends.